Let's start with the million-dollar question. Is it really easy to make money online? I mean, on the surface, it seems like it, right? With platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and the vast number of online gigs out there, it's tempting to believe that the money just pours in if you put in a little effort. Heck, some people even make it seem like everyone can be an overnight success. First things first, making money online is not instant. A lot of people fall for the idea of easy cash, but the truth is, success online usually doesn't happen overnight. Whether it's freelancing, starting a business, or content creation, all of these take time to build momentum. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are online income streams. Sure, you can start earning from day one, but consistent success requires time, effort, and sometimes even months of trial and error. You've probably seen influencers showing their monthly income of $10, $20, or even $100,000 just by promoting products or running ads. It's super enticing. But here's the catch. For every success story, there are thousands of failed attempts, and it's not all as shiny as it looks. You see, these success stories are often the exception, not the rule. And here's the truth. Making money online is not as easy as it looks. It takes hard work, time, and a lot of trial and error. The reality of online income streams. Let's break down some of the most popular online money-making methods and see what's really behind them. There is different online money-making methods. First up, we've got affiliate marketing. It sounds pretty simple, right? You promote someone else's product, and for every sale made through your link, you earn a commission. Easy, right? Well, not exactly. While the concept is simple, to succeed in affiliate marketing, you need a large and engaged audience, solid content, trust, and tons of consistency. And don't get me started on those make money by doing nothing schemes. You know the ones I mean, where they promise you'll make money with no effort at all. I mean, who doesn't want a passive income stream? But remember, passive income doesn't mean instant income. It takes time to build an audience, and you have to be consistent. In fact, for most people, building a successful YouTube channel or blog takes years of work and patience. So don't let anyone fool you into thinking it's easy. The but challenges and struggles. Here's where the but comes in. Making money online isn't just about slapping together a website or posting a few videos. In fact, it can get downright hard. Behind all that online hustle, there are real challenges. For example, when it comes to online freelancing, you might think you just sign up, bid for jobs, and bam, you're rolling in cash. But many beginners get stuck with low-paying gigs, tons of competition, and clients who expect professional-level work for peanuts. Or how about e-commerce? Everyone loves the idea of running an online store, but did you know that 90% of e-commerce businesses fail within the first few months? Yep, the struggle is real. Between managing inventory, dealing with customer service, and marketing your products, the reality of running an online store can be much tougher than it looks. It's easy to be attracted by the idea of quick success, but in reality, it's a grind. And often, those who succeed are the ones who can push through the hard times. They're the ones who treat their online venture like a real business, with all the ups and downs that come with it. The learning curve and building expertise. But here's the good news. Even though it's tough, you can make money online. The difference between those who succeed and those who give up is usually a simple thing: learning. You have to be willing to learn, adapt, and improve. Success online doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and the right strategy, you can totally build a sustainable income. Take YouTube, for instance. You don't just wake up one day and hit 1 million subscribers. It takes time to learn how to create engaging content, how to market it, and how to understand the algorithm. Yes, it's a learning curve, but once you start, it becomes a journey. You'll find your rhythm, understand your audience, and begin to see results. Mindset and persistence. Here's the big takeaway. It's not about making money easily. It's about persistence, patience, and a willingness to learn. People who succeed online are the ones who keep going, even when they're not seeing immediate results. They understand that setbacks are part of the process, and most importantly, they stay committed to their goal. The mindset you need isn't about get rich quick. It's about learn, improve, and grow. If you can keep that mindset and push through the hard times, your chances of success skyrocket. So, there you have it. Yes, making money online is possible, but it's not as easy as it seems. It takes dedication, dedication, learning, and a mindset built for persistence. And while the road is tough, the rewards can be incredible. So if you're ready to put in the work, you can succeed. There are many opportunities to make money online. Success typically requires significant effort, consistency, and skill. It's not as easy as it may seem at first glance. While you may encounter ads or stories promising quick, effortless wealth, the reality is that making money online involves building knowledge, developing strategies, and often facing setbacks. Whether through freelancing, creating content, e-commerce, or other methods, achieving success requires dedication, time, and the ability to navigate challenges. Simply put, making money online is possible, but it's rarely easy or instant. If you're willing to put in the work, learn new skills, and stay consistent, the rewards will come. It's not easy, but it is worth it. Are you ready to start your online journey? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What online business or hustle are you planning to start? Or maybe you've already tried something. Let me know how it's going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tips on how to navigate the online world. And remember, success doesn't happen by chance. It happens by choice.